The Circular Innovation Challenge is an event that aims to help young people become the thought leaders and change makers of tomorrow. We invite all of you who are interested and passionate about solving environmental challenges to join this competition and potentially win a prize of 100,000 Thai baht. You will have the opportunity to attend workshops and listen to industry experts from global organizations such as Indorama Ventures, the SDG Lab, the School of Global Studies at Thammasat University, UNDP, UNICEF, and Semioceps.
The Circular Innovation Challenge is a hackathon, combining the words hacker and marathon. A hackathon gathers people from different fields, for example, programmers, developers, marketers, researchers, or designers, to brainstorm solutions to urgent problems. The goal of a hackathon is to combine diverse talents and multiple perspectives to generate innovative ideas in a short period of time. Normally, developing and testing an idea for an innovation startup could take many months, even years. Hackathons are great for speeding up the process and thinking outside of the box. You can quickly transform your ideas through learning, mentoring, and pitching to finish up with a feasible prototype that could change the world. The Circular Innovation Challenge is now open for applications. For those of you who would like to attend our workshops in July and can test their ideas in one of the 2 prizes.
We welcome all high school students, college students, and young adults aged 16 to 30 who have an open mind, want to learn new things, and would like to transform their idea into a solution that solves environmental challenges in their country. So form a team of 3 to 5 people and join the Circular Innovation Challenge today. The application period is open until the 10th of June 2022. Let's join together to create regional innovation solutions for a clean and sustainable society. See you soon!